guys, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Prarthana M R, and this is Prarthana. Today I'm with new topic, that is how to use Mr., Miss, Master and Mrs. So let's go in. So first let's start with Master. Master is used while addressing an underaged male, like who is below 18 years. For example, Master Jonas. So next, it is Mr. Mr. is used while addressing a male who had already entered adulthood, and it won't tell us about his marital status. Next, it is Miss. Miss is used while referring unmarried girl or young girl. For example, Miss Mary. Next, it is Mrs. Mrs. is usually used while referring a woman who is married. Lastly, it is Ms., which is spelled as MS, but still it is pronounced as Ms. Ms. It is used while referring woman who you don't know whether she is married or unmarried. Ms. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.